Do you have your staff?
I have my staff. Let me get it out for you.
Dunk.
Oh, I dropped it. I'm so sorry.
Little
I got it
John,
right here.
stop drinking. You have to be sober for this. Now then, I shall fire a practice shot. Yes, even the air trembles before it. Cat skin.
Ow.
Oh, dunk.
Ooh.
You hit that bird.
Yeah. I'm sure it was a aristocrat bird, and now the poor ants will eat upon it.
I thought we were supposed to appreciate wildlife. And
We are. We appreciate the taste. Are you ready?
I'm so
Do you
ready.
know the plan? To scale the castle and then
Kill people.
Make
Make pancakes.
beat them up.
Beat them up. I was gonna say that the third time.
Close. Okay. All right. Hold on. Did you set up a trap?
Listen.
All right.
About that.
Let's
You're
just-
bleeding.
Oh.
A lot.
Let me just tear this
I.
and tie it. Just ever so.
Uh-huh.
All right. DNA's not fitted yet, so they won't know it's me. All right. So we climb the wall now.
Yes. I'm gonna grab onto this vine.
Right. I'm going to grab onto this rope.
Okay. Huh. I think it's steady. You ready?
Ready.
Crash! Ah! That was not at all steady.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Let's try this again.
There's another vine over here. I'm gonna try this one.
All right.
Rustle, 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 rustle.
Okay, I'm gonna tug on it.
All right.
Rustle, rustle, rustle.
Okay, I think this one's good. Ready?
All right. All right.
Glad I wore my cleats.
We could go through the front door.
Is it open? Is it unlocked? Did they lock it?
We're about to find out.
Oh, thank God. Let me jump down from this wall and join you.
You stepped on my foot. Thank
I'm
you.
sorry. I'm sorry.
All right.
It's the one that's already bleeding. It should be nothing now anyway.
Precisely. All right. I'll take one out, one shot, take out the guard. I should stop talking, by the way. It missed.
You should try again.
It missed again.
You know what? Maybe if I try. It's so sticky.
Oh.
Ready?
Ready. He just broke his spine.
I hit his leg.
Broke his leg.